So in this video, we're going to create a new project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on New Project. And you'll notice right here it says Adobe After Effects 2022 Untitled Project. Okay, so that's how you create a new project. But what I want to do is I want to label this. So let's go to File and let's do Save As. And then click Save As. Okay, in the submenu. And we're going to save this to the desktop. So I'm going to create a new folder and call it After Effects. Okay. And then I'm going to save this as Untitled Project .aep, and that's After Effects Project. That's the extension. Okay. And they also have After Effects Template Project, which changes to AET. Okay. So those are the different file types you can save it as. Okay. So we have Untitled Project AEP. We'll hit save. And that's how you create a project. So with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.